Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the vast and mysterious oceans. Did you know that the ocean covers over 70% of the Earth's surface? Yet so much of it remains unexplored. Today, we'll explore 41 fascinating facts about the ocean that might just blow your mind. So, grab your snorkel and let's dive in. Curiosity 1. The ocean covers 71% of the Earth's surface. The ocean is so massive that it covers over 71% of our planet. That's more than 2/3 of the Earth. It's home to countless species and is a crucial part of the global ecosystem, influencing weather patterns and even the air we breathe. Curiosity 2. We've only explored 5% of the ocean. Despite all our technological advances, humans have explored less than 5% of the ocean. This means that 95% of this underwater world remains a mystery, making it one of the final frontiers on our planet. Curiosity 3. The deepest point in the ocean is the Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench is the deepest part of the world's oceans, reaching a depth of around 36,000 feet, which is nearly 7 miles deep. If you dropped Mount Everest into the trench, it would still be underwater. Curiosity 4. The ocean is home to 94% of life on Earth. Around 94% of all life forms on Earth are aquatic. This means that the vast majority of life on our planet is found in the ocean, from tiny plankton to the massive blue whale. Curiosity 5. The largest living structure on Earth is in the ocean. The Great Barrier Reef, located off the coast of Australia, is the largest living structure on Earth, even visible from space. This reef system is home to thousands of marine species, making it one of the most biodiverse places on the planet. Curiosity 6. Oceans regulate the Earth's climate. Oceans play a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate by absorbing solar energy and distributing heat around the globe. They act as a buffer against extreme temperatures, keeping the planet habitable. Curiosity 7. The ocean produces more oxygen than all forests combined. It might surprise you, but over 50% the oxygen we breathe comes from the ocean. Phytoplankton, tiny ocean plants, photosynthesize just like trees and plants on land, contributing significantly to the oxygen in our atmosphere. Curiosity 8. The largest animal in the world lives in the ocean. The blue whale is the largest animal to ever exist, even larger than the biggest dinosaurs. These gentle giants can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh as much as 200 tons. Curiosity 9. There are underwater waterfalls in the ocean. Yes, you heard that right. There are underwater waterfalls. In places like the Denmark Strait, cold, dense water sinks beneath lighter, warmer water, creating what is essentially a massive underwater waterfall. Curiosity 10. The ocean contains enough gold to give everyone 9 pounds. If all the gold in the ocean were extracted, it would be enough to give every person on Earth around 9 pounds of gold. However, it's so diluted that it's currently not feasible to mine. Curiosity 11. Ocean is home to the world's largest migration. Every day, marine animals like zooplankton migrate vertically through the ocean in what's known as diel vertical migration. This is the largest migration on Earth in terms of both number and biomass. Curiosity 12. Some fish can glow in the dark. Many deep-sea fish have bioluminescence, which means they can produce their own light. This is an adaptation to the extreme darkness found in the deep ocean, where sunlight doesn't reach. Curiosity 13. The ocean contains more historical artifacts than all museums combined. With thousands of shipwrecks and underwater ruins, the ocean floor is like a giant museum, preserving history better than any land-based museum could. Some artifacts are thousands of years old. Curiosity 14. There are lakes and rivers under the ocean. Yes, there are lakes and rivers in the ocean. These are formed when seawater with a higher salinity sinks and settles into depressions on the ocean floor, creating bodies of water that act like lakes or rivers. Curiosity 15. The loudest sound ever recorded came from the ocean, known as the bloop. This ultra-low frequency sound was detected by underwater microphones in 1997. To this day, scientists aren't entirely sure what caused it, but it's one of the loudest sounds ever recorded underwater. Curiosity 16. The ocean is the world's largest carbon sink. The ocean absorbs more carbon dioxide than any other natural source on Earth. It acts as a massive carbon sink, helping to regulate the levels of CO2 in the atmosphere and mitigate the effects of climate change. Curiosity 17. The ocean has its own internet. Did you know that 99% of the world's data is transmitted through underwater cables? These cables crisscross the ocean floor, creating a global network that keeps us connected. Curiosity 18. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. The Pacific Ocean is by far the largest of the Earth's oceanic divisions. It covers more than 60 million square miles and accounts for over 1/3 of the Earth's surface area. Curiosity 19. Sharks have been around longer than trees. Sharks have existed for over 400 million years, making them older than trees, which evolved around 350 million years ago. These ancient creatures have survived multiple mass extinction events. Curiosity 20. The ocean has mountains, taller than Everest. Beneath the ocean surface, there are mountain ranges that are taller than Mount Everest. The mid-ocean ridge, for example, is a continuous mountain range that runs through the Atlantic Ocean and is over 40,000 miles long. Curiosity 21. The Atlantic Ocean is getting wider. The Atlantic Ocean is slowly widening due to tectonic plate movements. The mid-Atlantic ridge is causing the seafloor to spread, pushing the continents on either side further apart at a rate of about 1 inch per year. Curiosity 22. The ocean is getting louder. With the increase in human activities like shipping, drilling, and military exercises, the ocean has become a much noisier place. This underwater noise pollution can disrupt marine life, particularly animals like whales that rely on sound for communication. Curiosity 23. The ocean has more than 20 million tons of plastic. An estimated 20 million tons of plastic waste end up in the ocean every year. This pollution affects marine life, ecosystems, and even our food supply, as microplastics are making their way into the seafood we consume. Curiosity 24. The Gulf Stream is a powerful ocean current. The Gulf Stream is one of the strongest ocean currents, transporting warm water from the Gulf of Mexico up the eastern coast of the United States and across the Atlantic to Europe. It plays a significant role in regulating climate in these regions. Curiosity 25. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest and shallowest. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest of the world's oceans, covering an area of around 5.4 million square miles. It's also the shallowest, with an average depth of about 3,953 feet. Curiosity 26. Icebergs are made of fresh water. Even though they float in salt water, icebergs are made of fresh water. They form from compacted snow, which is made of fresh water, and can float because fresh water is less dense than salt water. Curiosity 27. The ocean's salinity is not the same everywhere. The ocean's salinity varies depending on location. The Atlantic Ocean is the saltiest of all the oceans, while regions near the poles or at the mouths of large rivers tend to have lower salinity levels. Curiosity 28. The ocean is home to brinicles, or ice fingers of death. Brinicles are underwater icicles that form when super-cold saline water sinks from sea ice into the ocean. As the brinicle sinks, it freezes everything in its path, earning the nickname ice fingers of death. Curiosity 29. Jellyfish have existed for over 500 million years. Jellyfish are one of the oldest living creatures on Earth, predating dinosaurs. These simple organisms have existed for over 500 million years and can be found in oceans all over the world. Curiosity 30. The ocean is full of sound, even in silence. Even in the deepest, darkest parts of the ocean, where you might expect silence, sound is ever present. From the snapping of shrimp claws to the calls of whales, the ocean is full of natural noise, making it a far from silent world. Curiosity 31. Ocean water can freeze. Ocean water freezes, but at a lower temperature than fresh water due to its salt content. Seawater typically freezes at about 28.4 degrees Fahrenheit, compared to 32 degrees Fahrenheit for fresh water. Curiosity 32. Hydrothermal vents host unique ecosystem. Hydrothermal vents are found on the ocean floor, where seawater meets magma. These vents release mineral-rich water and host unique ecosystems that rely on chemosynthesis rather than photosynthesis, supporting life in the absence of sunlight. Curiosity 33. The ocean is home to the smallest marine mammal. The vaquita, a species of porpoise, is the smallest marine mammal in the world. Unfortunately, it's also one of the most endangered, with fewer than 20 individuals remaining in the wild. Curiosity 34. The Indian Ocean is the warmest of all the oceans. The Indian Ocean is the warmest, with an average temperature of around 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Warm waters contribute to the monsoon seasons in South Asia and Africa. Curiosity 35. Some fish use sound to communicate. Certain fish species, like the croaker, use sound to communicate. They make noises by vibrating their swim bladders or rubbing parts of their body together, helping them attract mates or warn off predators. Curiosity 36. The ocean is the world's largest source of protein. Ocean is the primary source of protein for over 1 billion people worldwide. Seafood like fish, crustaceans, and mollusks play a crucial role in global diets, particularly in coastal regions. Curiosity 37. The ocean has dead zones. Dead zones are areas in the ocean with little to no oxygen, making it nearly impossible for marine life to survive. These zones are often caused by human activities like pollution and nutrient runoff, which lead to algal blooms that deplete oxygen level. Curiosity 38. The ocean's pH is changing. Due to increased carbon dioxide absorption, the ocean is becoming more acidic. This process, known as ocean acidification, threatens marine life, particularly organisms like corals and shellfish that rely on calcium carbonate to form their shells and skeleton. Curiosity 39. The ocean is the world's largest habitat. With its vast size and depth, the ocean provides the largest habitat on Earth. It contains a diverse range of ecosystems, from coral reefs and kelp forests to the deep sea, each with its own unique forms of life. Curiosity 40. The Bermuda Triangle is a mysterious ocean area. The Bermuda Triangle, a region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean, is known for its mysterious disappearances of ships and planes. While many of these incidents have been explained, the area still fascinates and baffles researchers. Curiosity 41. The ocean holds clues to life on other planets. Studying extreme environments in the ocean, like hydrothermal vents, helps scientists understand how life might exist on other planets or moons. For instance, moons like Europa and Enceladus have subsurface oceans that could potentially harbor life. And there you have it. 41 incredible facts about the ocean that showcase just how mysterious and vital our oceans are. From providing most of the oxygen we breathe to harboring life forms we've yet to discover, the ocean is truly a world of wonders. You enjoyed this video? Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest explorations. Dive deeper with us next time, and remember, the ocean is full of endless possibilities.